What's up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching me, my name is Mark. And if it's your second time, your third time, your fourth time watching me, welcome also. My name is Mark. Please remember to hit the subscription button, like this video, share to your friends because it will be hotter than pasti. It will be hotter. It will be sweet. I hope you will enjoy this video. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I'm at the greener side, the other side, the greener side of the place. You can hear the serenity, the tranquility. Najua mnajiuliza, huyu mtu ako wapi? Basically, I'm at the village. I came to visit my family. So I'm at the village and I'm so surprised. Like, this place is so green. Like, the place is evergreen. So guys, I decided to document my stay. I will be documenting my stay in the village with you guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Like, this is a village vlog series. To enjoy it, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. First of all, most of the people wanaweza kuwa wakijiuliza, why didn't I vlog while I was coming? Unfortunately, it was so hectic. We were late. We were almost left out with a bus. But unfortunately, the drivers were so kind. They waited for us until we arrived home safely. So guys, first of all, I will be giving you my Shosho's farm tour, the place that we have grown at the village. I'll be giving you a farm tour. Hope you will enjoy it. Hope you will like and subscribe. First of all, for the land, we have these sukuma wiki that are being grown. Sukuma wiki, we have some matoke. Tuko na some matoke here. We have some matoke. Yeah, it's not yet ready. Haijaka ready bado, but we have some matoke. That is our neighbor's place. Like my other side of it's like my other side of the family, but sisi ni majirani. So basically, we have these sukuma wikis. There are plenty. Like, sukuma wiki here is the real deal. You can see like this whole place. Sukuma ndio imepandwa sukuma. And we have this ndizi, but it's not yet ready. As I can show you, it's not yet ready. So on this other side, we have some sugar cane. They are so sweet. Kama we ni rafiki yangu na unaona hii, ongea na mimi vizuri. I will bring you some in Mombasa. I think zinakwanga different type. I think this is a different type of sugar cane, and this one is a different type of sugar cane. You can see it. This is a different type of sugar cane. Yeah, you can see the way it's so good, so eye-pleasing. And we have like upper, it's like aka intercropping. It's like aka intercropping type of farm. We also have some maize which are ready for harvesting. Is it ready for harvesting? And also we have an avocado tree there. Yes, let's walk towards it. I think most of the people wanaweza kuwa wakijiuliza this one and the other one. So the main purpose ya kutoa hizo vitu juu is because they want the main purpose ya kutoa like this from juu so that the maize can dry up so fast and harvesting can be easily done. You can see this is an avocado tree. There was some avocado but tulichuna unfortunately, and I think tumeziweka ready for it. Yeah, and also we have this greener place. And greener place we usually use it for cows. Yeah, ng'ombe. Usually hii ni chakula ya ng'ombe. Usually give it for ng'ombe, cows. So unfortunately this is the other side. The side ingine ya maize. Yeah. Yeah, this is the other side. Hii bado haijatolewa hizi za juu because it's not yet ready, but once it's ready itatolewa. and the whole thing will be ready for harvesting. You can see these ones hazijatolewa bado because they are not yet ready. But you know these ones, this the upper ones, they can also use like animal food. So animals zenye ziko eg cows, you can see kuna zenye zishatolewa hapa already. There are some which have been removed here. Kuna zenye zishatolewa hapa already, so they are zinangoja zichukuliwe kwa ng'ombe. That is the main purpose, and also the maize can dry up so fast. And also we have some ndizi. Kuna ndizi hapa, but unfortunately hii si yetu. Have some ndizi. Hope you can see well. This is a ndizi. Let me. Hope you can see well. This is ini ndizi, but it's aside. Najua hapa we also have a big hill. Like tuko na hill ingine hapo ni big. Look at that hill. Like that's a hill. That's a hill. Yep. That's a hill. And we also have is hapa mostly like on our land. On our land. In our land we have grown more of maize. More of maize because maize ndio the maize, it's the like the main food here. Ugali, like it's for ugali purpose. That's why there are a lot of maize. So, and this is my grandfather's farm tour. Mnaweza kuwa mkijiuliza, why is the land so big? We are even not halfway done. We are not even halfway done. Just stay tuned. You know, one of the major problems grow maize, they are predators, and they have really attacked the other side of the maize. Like hii side ya katikati, it has really attacked it so bad, and I will be showing you how these birds zina attack this maize. They eat them up. That is one of mostly the disadvantages. Yeah, let me show you this one. This one imekuliwa na ndege. Like the birds have eaten this maize, and this is affecting us so bad. You can see like this is like an half of a kilo. You can see the maize are really like, you can see the way they are eating. Yeah, and I think this is one of the disadvantages of growing crops. Yeah, I don't know if they have eaten the other side. Let me be looking and be showing you. Be looking and be showing you. No, and see, they have really attacked the the maize. You can see they have really attacked. This is like a loss, a larger loss. This is like a larger loss. And we have this other side where we have grown napier grass, sorry, for the cows. This is for our purposes. Yeah, this is the napier grass. Yeah, the napier grass. You can see. Unfortunately, mnaweza kuwa mkijiuliza, you people have a larger farm. Yeah, we have a very larger farm. We have a very larger farm because I will be giving you a brief history. Haraka haraka. So unfortunately, the father to my father, like baba yangu, like the father to my father. Yeah, it's making sense. The father to my father had 6 wives. Imagine six wives. When I tell you the amount of polygamy that was Kitambo, he had 6 wives. When he had 6 wives, both of them walimpea children. They gave him children. They gave him children. And it happened like the father to my father was the first child. So like the law, ile law ya kitambo, like the bigger son should take a larger portion of the land. And the father to my father's father, yeah, my father's father used to be a land surveyor. So akajiposhonia kitambo, like it was the land was communally owned. That is what I can say. Cut the story short. So my father took like a larger part of this akajigawia. He portioned for himself, and unfortunately it happened that alichukua, like, let's say, a larger part of the land. That's why we have like this larger portion of the land. Yeah, you can see it. It's so big. It's so large. It's so large. Maliza, like, we have finished the section of maize. This is the napier grass, and this is the other section of maize. This other part, it's imeposheniwa for napier grass and for cow purposes. You can see these are all napier grass zenye zimekatwa. They are growing. You can see those shots vizuri, vizuri, vizuri. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. And yeah, you can see. You can see. Upper, like they have already harvested this side, and because maize didn't do well hapa vizuri vizuri, so they have they have they have grown. Hapa wamesha harvest already. You can see there are only maize stalks standing. Maize stalks standing. Yeah. So, unfortunately kuja huku tuko karibu kufika on the river side. So this side tumepanda like trees because of tulikuwa tumepanda, like, we had already grown some maize, but they were not doing well because of these shades from this side, these shades from this side. So we were growing maize here, but they were not doing well. And my big brother, shout out to Kyle, like, he decided to put some some trees, and they're like 6 months, but they have grown. They have grown. Yeah, they have grown because they're growing. They're like 6 months old, but they have grown. You can see these trees. These trees. They have grown these trees. You can see these trees. Yeah, these are all trees. They are all trees. Yeah, yeah. These are all trees which have grown, which have done well, and they have done very well. Well, they've shot done really well. Hmm, and see, they've done really well. So this is the end of our farm. You can see that these are also trees, and this our farm has ended with this a portion of river. This is a river. You can see a river, and this is our other side. Yeah, that's so beautiful, and I play. So guys, I think that was the end of our farm tour. Now sasa mnarudi home. So guys, if you want more of this, I'm like, niko kwa village. Tell me in the comment section what you want to see. You know, Kisii is another Canaan. Tell me, most of the people, if you want to believe, you want to see them live, tell me. I will be documenting. But I think that is the end of our farm tour. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscription button, like this video. You can hear the chattering of birds, and it, like, so stress free, the serenity. Anyway guys, If you really enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, give your whole view of the video. Like, give us suggestion what you liked, what you enjoyed in this video. I love you so much. Please make sure to subscribe, support your boy. Yeah, support me by subscribing, telling your friends, sharing to your friends, because here it's hot, lit, good, all the good things. Here it's just good vibe. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love you. Peace out. Peace out.